As a president ya Athletic Northwest North, ke na le vision e bagolo. I want to see our province growing. Luckily ke moruta bana, and then you'll see bulk of our athletes from developmental. Tswa mo dikolong. I will be very happy as a president to see one day all the school registered as clubs, so that's where growth are there. Can I believe here if we can catch these athletes young, where we start giving them the right techniques from a young age, because dikolo gantsi ntsi bagolo di participate as mass participation. But if the schools can be registered with the clubs, they will get the proper guidance, they will get the proper technique, so that some of them, they can make running not just as a fun, as a career. Next week on the 9th of May, we are having Maftown Marathon. We are having 42.2 kilometer, and then we're also having half marathon, which is 21, and also 5 kilometer fun run. We as a federation, together with municipality of Mafikeng, we decided to develop that area, the whole Ngaka Mulema area. However, the race is open for all athletes in the whole South Africa to make sure that you develop Ngaka Mulema and surrounding areas. So we are inviting all the athletes. We are having variety. We have marathon for those people with endurance. We got half marathon, as long as 5 kilometer for fun walk. So the race is well organized. We've been having series of meetings. So the entries keep on coming, but we are urging all athletes and the community to come and support in terms of participating and watching the athletes as they are running, to give them the support. So we are looking to see you guys in Mafikeng. Let's make Mafikeng live on that day. We've got a lot of community there, we've got university. So we urge all the people to come and rally behind and para support the bahol. Ona nka tlo re o godile, more especially ha o lebella tsetsa mabelo. If o ka tlo lebella re na le bo Thete Dijana, re na le bo Edward, they've been winning Comrade Marathon. For instance, we've been having people winning marathon back to back. So marathon is our strength, because all what you need to do is just to put your tekis and start running. So nka tlo re mo Mahikeng, mo Northwest, re end up re ikgatella tota ka road running, because you don't need a lot. Just your tekis, start running. So nka tlo re e tla bontse. Our people are on the map. Most South Africa ba tsebisala. You cannot talk any marathon without mentioning athletes from Northwest. Come, so that as our old veteran, bo Tete, bo Mamang, as they are going out, then new ones can emerge. So Renale hope, because already the stars of marathon in the whole South Africa, they are from Northwest. So we must keep that legacy. So that's why we felt to let us go to the place of legend, which is Northwest, and Ngaka Mulema in particular.